What's up, YouTube? Another video. Infinity 2017 q60. Crazy repair. I get it done. Come on. Let me show you guys around how bad this car looks. It looks really bad. So, this is the project. It looks like they cut it with a knife. I don't know what happened to this car. Only thing I know is that the customer, he already changed the cradle on the back. And this is not the baddest part. This is not like, I don't know how this car got sliced like this over here. It's crazy. I haven't seen a car get hit like this in a while. And this will be the inside. It's completely ripped apart. It's nuts. Wow. Wheelhouse, rail, floor pan, and this quarter too. But this side is not that bad. This side is the usual, you know, skin it, put a little bit of the rear body over here. This side is perfect. It looks okay. It looks pretty good. And these are the parts that I'll be using. That I don't know why whoever cut it in an angle. I don't know why they did it like that. But I'll be putting this whole piece on the car. When I saw the car, I only was gonna change the wheelhouse. I was gonna leave the rail alone, but I didn't know that until I started taking stuff apart. But this is, I still gotta do something over here, but that's after I'm gonna mess with the car. But that's the whole piece, this whole piece, with the piece of the floor and all that is going to this car. And this is the other quarter for this side over here that I'm just gonna skin it and put this little piece. This shit they even cut it with a torch. Crazy people, crazy ass people. But this is the damage. Actually, this car was supposed to have a rear clip done, but I guess it was too expensive. I charged them good money and they paid for it, and that's where I'm at right now. Let me explain a little bit what I'm gonna do here. The same way that they cut this the left quarter panel, that's the same cut that I'm gonna follow here. And that one that they cut it in an angle, it will be the same thing that I will be doing over here. So all I'm going to have left for the rear body, it's from here to here, just this little piece. Yay! I'm gonna join all those three pieces together. So I already tore down the car. I removed most of the damaged parts. This is how it looks now. I skinned the 2 quarters to see how bad it was inside. I already knew how bad it was, but I just wanted to make sure how bad it was. And it's pretty bad. What the heck do I have here? Yeah, some grease. So I'm gonna show you guys now how bad it looks. It looks really messed up, like really messed up. So that's how the rail is looking. As I say, somebody already changed the cradle, because if this is this bad, the cradle should be messed up as well. So the inner wheelhouse, it was gone. I cut it, but damn, that thing was gone. I was a gunner. I know some people would think this is a crazy ass repair, that the car was total loss, blah 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 blah. Yes, the car was total loss. It's an auction car. It's not my car. I'm just fixing it. This is what I get paid for. People want me to do this kind of job, that's what they do. Money. Over here, I have to do some I call it some Mickey Mouse work. Some people will call it a butcher work, whatever they want to call it, because whoever cut the quarter panel to put over here, they cut it like inside here. So the best way to use the same quarter that they cut in the wrong way, it will be like right on the edge right there. So that's why I cut it like that. Other than that, the rear body, this rear body panel is a mess, really damn mess. But this is what I have to work with, and I'm gonna fix it. Right now I'm looking at the car and it looks like the car is shifted this way, or maybe no, it's just the way that the car got hit. I don't know. So next step will be, so next step will be start drilling, drill everything out, you know. So our next step will be drill everything out, make it ready for the used parts that I'm gonna use, and that's it. Let's get to work. Sup YouTube, quick update on the Q60. I put everything together. I didn't show the part where I removed the quarter and the skin and all that. So I just had that already at the time that I started the video. But this is how it's looking. I put the whole quarter with the rail, the inner warehouse, all that. Show the side. This car is a mess, but I'm gonna make it work again. I have to join it right here in the middle. That's oh, I can see here very good. But here it is, that's where I section, and right there on top. I'm trying to make my videos shorter so I don't get people bored. You know, I'm not gonna show all the process, like taking everything, and I mean, I'm not good at editing videos too, so that's what I'm trying to figure now. Let's see if I show inside. This one, they cut it the wrong way. They were supposed to cut it like right here, but that's how the customer bring the parts. He told me, well, actually this car needed a whole rear clip done, but the customer told me it was really expensive, and I tried to hook him up. Big work, big job. Finally, the Q50, the Q60 is done. This is how it came out. The car came out really good after so much work. Line is perfect. I'm not gonna go into much details of this car because it's crazy. This was some crazy repair. That's where I joined it. I don't care about the floor, how it looks. It's just missing the pad, but crazy repair. After so much work, it's good. It looked good.